Welcome to Watchat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. This here is the SRPF79K1, one of the coolest Seiko out there that I think you should own it before it's discontinued. Before I review this watch, let's check out my unboxing video. This is a special edition watch, and a special edition watch will require a special edition case. As I remove the white box, you will see the watch instruction manual, guarantee manual, and certificate of guarantee. The special edition case is in black with a blue design at the side. As I open the case, you will see that this is the Prospex Safety Ocean series. The build of this case isn't Seiko's best, neither is it Seiko's worst. What I didn't really like about this case is the fact that the watch and the pillow sits very loosely in the case. Those are the tags. Nothing too fancy here. Alright, now, about the watch. The watch is powered by the 4R35 automatic caliber movement, which has a 23 joules and a 41 hours of power reserve. It has sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, a date function at the 3 o'clock window with magnifier, stop seconds hand function, 200 meter water resistance, Lume-Bright on all 3 hands, indexes, and lume pit on the bezel at the 16-minute mark. The case is made out of stainless steel and is reportedly measured at 43.8mm in diameter, 12.8mm in thickness, and 48.7mm lug to lug. Reportedly, because I measured it, and it is in fact 44mm in diameter, 13.3mm, and if you were to include the magnifier, 13.8mm in thickness, and 48.4mm lug to lug. Now, with regards to the case design, this is my first Seiko Prospex King Samurai design watch, and I'm so in love with its design. The case design has this angular case shape, giving it a very bold and strong look. The case is all brush finish, also giving it a very industrial sporty look. However, if you were to look at the side or the back of this watch, you will see pockets area that has polished finishing in it. It's like an armor that sits on top of that polished finish. This, in my view, is not something that is easy to make, and it's a smart design. The back of the watch has a screw-down case back that has that special edition wording on it. The lugs here has holes in it for easy change of strap. The lug width here is 22mm. Now about the strap. This is one of Seiko's latest rubber strap design. I don't think you will find this strap in any other watch. Firstly, it has done away with those bumps that they have on their Prospex dive watch, which tends to make the watch flare out a little. This, however, has a very clean and flat looking strap. Secondly, it has that Prospex wave design at the end of the strap and pebbles design at the back of it to help your skin breathe when wearing it. Thirdly, it has a very nice 3-pin stainless steel buckle that, to my surprise, has a very good quality build to it. It's brush finish on the front and polish finish on its back. The holder here is also stainless steel with its brand plastered on it. Lastly, it's that color. The blue-grayish strap is also good looking and it complements the dial. More about the dial later. The huge unsigned crown nestles between the crown guards, which aren't really big compared to the crown. The crown has this diamond edging all around the sides for easy gripping. The same diamond edging can also be found on the side of the bezel to help with easy gripping. Now the bezel here, wait for it, is ceramic bezel. The outer frame is of course stainless steel, but the insert here is ceramic. The bezel has an actual 60-minute timer that is engraved on it in white. The bezel only has the 20, 30, 40, and 50 Roman numerals. The 60 is replaced with an inverted trapezoid with a lume pit, and the 10 is replaced with a rectangular bar. Moving inwards, the rehold has minute tracks painted on it. The lume indices on this watch are really huge. What I like about this is that even at the date window, it has a lume indices on the side of it. The date of course has a white backdrop with black numberings. When changing the date, you can unscrew the crown and pull it out at position 1 for instant change. However, the date can only be changed one way. When you pull out the crown at position 2 and adjust the minute hand, the date starts changing at 10:30 PM and with a quick snap at 11:57 PM. The dial on this watch is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, Omega have their wave pattern design dial. This just took that 2 notch further. It has that gradation of sunlight reflection that you see from the waves when you're under the sea. It's almost like it's actually moving. The dial here has the Seiko, automatic, and 200-meter wordings that are in grey on it. The dial also has a blue-greyish color like the strap. It's light in the center, and as it moves towards the 9 and 3 o'clock, the dial shades into a darker tone. In case you're wondering what are the 3 shadows on the dial, they are Manta rays. That is why this design has been nicknamed the Dark Manta Ray, which kinda reminds me of this. Seiko has also made a Prospex Turtle Dark Manta Ray. However, one should not be confused with the design of the dial. In the Turtle watch, there are 2 Manta rays at the 8 o'clock and 1 Manta ray at the 4 o'clock, whereas this watch, the King Samurai, it has 1 Manta ray at the 8 o'clock and 2 Manta rays at the 4 o'clock. If you were to compare them, they are not exactly a reflection of each other. The Manta rays actually have different shape, size, and angles. One should also not be confused between this watch and the SRPE33K1. The SRPE33K1 has a very sharp electrifying blue that doesn't have that dark shading like this watch. This watch wears very comfortably on my wrist. It has some weight but doesn't feel too heavy. The rubber is not too hard and it wraps around my wrist easily. Remember we talked about personal hygiene in my last video? Well, if you missed that video, I'll put a link in the description below. What I like about rubber strap is that you can wash the strap once in a while to make sure that it's clean from sweat dirts. This strap really complements the dial. This is indeed a gorgeous looking watch. You can see here that there's a lot of thought put into the case design. On top of that, you have a good strap and a good built buckle, ceramic bezel, and sapphire crystal, and that gorgeous lucid motion artwork that is blasted onto the dial with the right kind of tone. Most importantly, it is retailed at 2,530 ringgit. Kudos Seiko. I really do like this watch. It is really a handsome piece. So what do you think about this watch? Do leave your comments in the comment section below. If you like this kind of video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that you won't miss any of my videos to support me, and I'll really appreciate it and promise to upload more videos like this. Until the next one, thank you for watching.